And one of the more recent ones here, this one came out earlier this month as well. Drift was targeted in an attack here as well, and they were able to get in and steal a variety of information, gaining access to several companies, Salesforce data, but also there's a list of vendors that may have additional steps that you need to take. CloudFlare, for instance, CloudFlare was one of the companies affected by this, but the threat actors were also able to steal OAuth tokens and things like that as well. So if you look at any of these vendors in here are ones that have identified that they were hit as part of that attack and have provided additional guidance in many of those cases or information about that. CloudFlare, as an example, this article is one that CloudFlare put out. They've been doing a very good job of describing what happened during the breach, what they've been doing from a response perspective, and a timeline of updates, including when you get down to the point where they finally had some guidance of, hey, here's what all of our customers need to do. Any organizations using CloudFlare, you should be making sure that you had disconnected SalesLoft and its applications until everything was cleaned up there. Monday this week, apparently they had given the go-ahead that Drift was resolved, and they were recommending customers can start to turn that back on if you're using like the Drift AI bot on your website. Rotating credentials, implementing frequent credential rotation, some good best practices around that, not just relating to this incident. Anybody who had issues should have changed out all their CloudFlare credentials as part of this, but also implementing a credential rotation for technologies like this, where you're switching out your API keys and other secrets used for any of these types of integrations more frequently. And then a variety of things around forensics, least privilege, other guidance there that they're providing to say, here's what you should be doing from a security best practice, regardless of the incident. That first action was kind of the immediate action. This is what you need to be doing. You need to rotate all your current credentials, but here's what you should be doing, going forward to ensure that you're more resilient to any type of impacts like this in the future. So a good article there, but if you do have any of these vendors in there, you may want to take a look at those and just see if there's additional guidance there that they've given for any of their technologies that might have been impacted from that token perspective as well.